Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to this quick update on SLP. It's been a while, I haven't talked about it. So SLP, yeah, so let's do this. Came down, made a flag, and unfortunately we haven't really met the technical target out of this bear flag. So from there to there, we're looking for a technical target to actually come down to 315. So there was this trend line that I showed you a very long time ago, and that channel well, it's pretty much in play and it's pretty much heavy on the scales for SLP. Everything just went up to, like, for example, in here you went up, find resistance there, you went up here, find resistance right there, you went up again, find resistance, made a fake out, went up here again, find resistance right over here currently in this current situation right now. So let's zoom in here and let's see what's happening. So that resistance up there of the channel that I showed you previously is still heavy, and you do have resistance right over here, and then it went down again, came up here, got rejected right over there. So it's actually gonna come down here, and probably from here actually it could even continue all the way down to this lowest part of it if things get nasty. What I'm talking about is one last final drop, maybe a 74% move to the downside for SLP. I know I sound crazy saying that, but this is what I'm actually expecting SLP to even do. Like, it's a support down of a channel. So if it actually continues the same situation, it's just like how I could have told you back here that this is what's gonna happen. So you see, it always come down, then pushes up, then move sideways, then come down like that. Okay, then push sideways, and then go down like that again. So you can actually do that. I could expect it to do that. And that's pretty much it for this SLP video update. But at least in the short run, we're still looking for a drop, and there's going to be a massive drop of nearly from there to there. We're talking about 15% move to the downside. And that's pretty much it for this update on SLP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.